Science and Discovery, Magnetic Maze Marble Run. In the bustling town of Knowledgeville, a group of excited children gathered at Professor Puzzle's science club. Today was Monday, their favorite day. They were about to embark on an adventure filled with science and discovery. Today, declared Professor Puzzle, we will explore the fascinating world of magnets and how they can guide a metal ball. With trembling hands, each child picked up a tube, magnet, and marble. Professor Puzzle demonstrated the basic concept. When like poles are near, they will not stick. When opposite ones attract, they draw apart. The children listened attentively. One by one, the children began to build their mazes. The room filled with laughter as they constructed walls of tubes and placed magnetic balls at various points within their designs. Then, they tested their creations by placing a marble into the start of the maze. The room erupted in cheers as one by one, the marbles navigated the complex mazes thanks to their magnetic guides. One child, Timmy, watched as his marble smoothly glided through a seemingly impossible path, making it all the way to the end. Timmy's friends gathered around him, eager to learn his secret. With a gleam in his eyes, Timmy explained his strategy. I used lots of magnets with opposite poles facing each other. The other children nodded, understanding the concept better now. With the understanding of magnets now in their arsenal, the children spent the rest of the day building intricate mazes and testing their creations. They laughed, learned, and collaborated, each eager to share their discoveries with one another. As the sun began to set over Knowledgeville, the children reluctantly left Science Club. They chattered about their newfound knowledge and couldn't wait to return home to continue their experiments with magnets. Professor Puzzle smiled proudly at his young pupils. That night, as the moon peeked through the curtains, one by one, the children returned home and set up their very own magnet-guided marble runs. Their eyes sparkled with curiosity as they watched the marbles glide effortlessly along the tracks. In the dead of night, a soft clatter woke one child from his dreams. He groggily opened his eyes and saw that his marble had escaped its track. With a jolt, he remembered, I forgot to add magnets at the end. With a yawn, the child slipped on his shoes and tiptoed into the dark hallway. He slowly made his way to the marble run, guided only by the soft glow of the moonlight. As he reached out to grab his marble, he noticed something amiss. The marble had moved. Intrigued, the child cautiously picked up his marble and inspected it more closely. He realized that another magnetic ball had been placed somewhere in the maze to guide his marble back into its original path. With a spark of excitement, he knew he would have even more fun the next day at Science Club. The following Monday, the children returned to Science Club, brimming with stories of their experiments at home. They shared their successes and failures, laughing and learning from one another. Professor Puzzle watched proudly as his young learners grew in understanding and enthusiasm for magnetism.